Automobiles nowadays are being fixed with much easier and more handy tools and equipment. What do you think are these enhanced tools that you should have with you? In what way are they improved? In today's video, we will find out. Welcome to Technology Zone, where the home of technology resides. Here are the 13 tools you might want to have for your vehicle's repair needs. Number 1. Wheel Trolley Easy Lift. Let's head on to Denmark. Experts from a local company created an intelligent trolley for moving wheels. The secret is the trolley's automated height modification, which makes it simple to load and unload wheels. The cart has a maximum load of 400 pounds and can transport 4 wheels simultaneously. Additionally, its diameter is 28 inches, and 2 of its 4 wheels are equipped with brakes. You won't also need any fuel, energy, or consumables because the height can be adjusted using a spring mechanism. You can quickly move it by yourself, weighing only 55 pounds. This fantastic trolley costs approximately $270. Number 2. Homemade Electric Jack. High-grade electric jacks are not affordable. What could you do if you ever need an electric jack but don't have the money to get one? Show off your abilities and use your brains. This Indian innovator achieved precisely this. The necessary components and important assembly areas are shown in the video. He finally found a solution to this issue. He was able to lift an automobile using his own jack. And by the way, the vehicle in the video is a Maruti Ritz, which is the Indian adaptation of Suzuki Splash. The prototype weighs approximately 2,205 pounds. Number 3. OEM Tools 24859 Air Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift. Working with motorbikes may be exciting with this air hydraulic lift. The manufacturer claims that at around $730, this product can offer excellent value considering its features, which are often seen on more costly versions. The lift has a maximum lift elevation of roughly 30 inches and can comfortably accommodate bikes weighing up to 1,000 pounds. The tool is 26.8 inches broad, 86.5 inches long, and composed of steel, and it also features a retractable ramp. Belt loops and a felt-padded, endlessly extendable front wheel retainer are included, as well as a rear wheel swing-out panel, a stop mechanism, and movable casters. Number 4. Tire Mount Stacker Manipulator. What you are watching is neither a technological advancement nor a robot warrior. When handling tires, this manipulator will be helpful. It offers an adjustable tilt of 90 degrees and can support up to 40 pounds. It may be utilized in various settings, including gas stations, auto repair shops, warehouses, and much more. The US business GCI Engineered Solutions created the manipulator. It provides suggestions for safer manufacturing processes for anything from vehicles to toothpaste tubes. One manipulator device, for instance, has a 3,000-pound lifting capacity and a 90-degree tilt flexibility. This makes it much simpler to mount wheels and replace tires on equipment like dump trucks. Number 5. Dynamoto Movable Motorcycle Stand. An Australian business offers a cutting-edge product for cyclists. Even in small places, these supports make storing and transferring your motorbike much easier. The essential element of this stand is the multi-directional wheels, which enable you to maneuver the bike not only forward or backward, but also sideways, greatly simplifying moves and maximizing the use of available space. It's ideal for museums, displays, sales, and other such events. On the company's website, both kits and standalone frames are available for a starting price of $400. For road bikes with 17 or 19-inch front wheels, there are comprehensive solutions as well as brand-specific choices, such as those for Harley-Davidson and BMW models. Number 6. WRD Glass Tools Handling Cup. Now we have a device that will make it simpler to remove various automotive components. It was created by a Canadian corporation using the most recent WRD series technology. For instance, the VP3 suction cup has a grip that is 13% more effective than that of comparable items, and because of its unique profile, it takes less pumping to work fully, extending its operational life. The tool's regular version, which costs $55, may also be used to operate on windshields and will make installation, holding, demounting, and transporting pieces much more manageable. The gadget has a suction cup diameter of roughly 6 inches and a relatively straightforward construction that makes it quite small. Before we continue, may I ask what amazing innovation have you seen or have tried so far? Comment down below and I'll certainly read your feedback. Number 7. Bandit 2.0. The Bandit 2.0 is yet another vital tool for auto repair companies. This invention by German engineers, which has already been trademarked, may be used to bend wheel arches, for example. Due to the fast release connectors, you may utilize a variety of attachments which are simple to switch out, depending on the form and state of the material. The component is 13 by 6 by 3 inches and weighs a little more than 11 pounds. When operating between 29 and 43 psi, you may get ideal results quickly and with little effort. The tool, carrying bag, 3 attachments, a holder, and a user's guide are all included in the set. The manufacturer is reassured by a quick and straightforward method for bending automobile sheets. The corporation will only disclose the price upon inquiry, but tell me how much you would be willing to pay for this. Number 8. Mechanical Jaw Pullers Easy Pull. This tool is highly specialized for customers' use. This puller makes it simpler to unmount bearings. This unique red ring, a component of these innovations, enables you to detach the jaws with one hand without running the threat of making a mistake or getting hurt. Many variants of the puller have dismounting forces of 60, 80, and 120 kilonewtons obtainable. The 60 kilonewton variant has gripping widths ranging from 1.4 to 6 inches and weighs around 9 pounds. Additionally, the center screw may be switched out for a hydraulic pressure generator in some variants to enhance them. Also, there are self-locking grips and self-centering that provide quality and safety, so even a rookie worker will display good performance. This gadget will cost you at least $440. Number 9. Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool. The next item on the index is a tool for simplifying the operation of suspension springs. It ships in a useful case that weighs roughly 30 pounds in total. Also, a bench vise is necessary for efficient operation, and safety wires will aid in assuring security. If you don't have much knowledge, simply follow the suggestions in the comprehensive handbook placed within the case. The description claims that the heavy-duty steel structure provides strength and security that other strut extraction tools can only hope to achieve. Not everyone pretty much agrees though. Some users claim that while dealing with vehicle springs, it deforms and leaves marks like scratches and dents, and the cost is about $400. Number 10. Blackhawk BH 2019. Unfortunately, there are no wires in a small brushless solid motor with an integrated LED light, but on the contrary, these are the qualities that this tool's developer highlights. It costs about $770 and is made to remove vehicle windows fast and carefully. The preceding product incorporates various benefits since its maker, Equalizer, is renowned as the global pioneer in the invention and use of glass tools. In addition to safety eyewear, a blade, charger, a battery, and even a DVD with instructions come with this tool's packaging. Additionally, the device also comes with various accessories. Second, the lengthy ergonomic handle offers accurate control even in small settings. With the battery included, it weighs roughly 11 pounds. Number 11. Blackridge Portable Air Sand Blast Gun. This air blasting tool is ideal for removing rust, paint, scale, and other materials. It is produced by a significant Australian corporation that specializes in vehicle components and accessories. This model is adaptable and may be used for a variety of jobs in addition to dealing with vehicles. It also has a large capacity of a 2.6-gallon hopper with even a carrying handle and a 15-foot hose, as well as being small enough to be held in one hand. Even huge volumes of labor won't be an issue with this concept. The pricing is relatively affordable at around $100, and the maximum pressure is roughly 120 psi. Number 12. Esko Bladder Jack 92040. This is another jack choice, but this time a pneumatic one. With just a minimum lift height of around 4.5 inches as well as a maximum lift height of 17 inches, it can raise up to 4,400 pounds. The jack's primary benefit, according to the manufacturers, is that it requires substantially less maintenance than screw jacks and hydraulic since it has fewer components. A double safety valve is integrated into the system for purposes of safety. Under load, it controls the swinging that might cause unstoppable destruction. These manufacturers claim this is the best option for light trucks, SUVs, and auto repair facilities. It is available for slightly over $400. Number 13. Rapid Jack. What should you do if a tire on your trailer or camper blows out in the center of the road? Dealing with a jack can be awkward at times since it can be hard to position it correctly. But now you may use this camper leveler technique because it not only makes changing wheels simpler but also doesn't call for unloading. The experts claim that the method is so simple and straightforward that you can level the car on your very first attempt. With tires up to 32 inches in diameter, you may work with a maximum weight of around 30,000 pounds. There are levelers and chocks in the kit as well, and this item costs $45. Quit being sluggish because it's time to put your intellect to work. Welcome to Technology Zone, where you'll find fascinating information from the past, present, and the future, from the grandeur of nature to wild creatures and amazing truths. Subscribe today and you will never be disappointed.